I always say to them, go e matapiko, you give it out. What you're taught, you give out. Even if it's nothing to do with meat, anything you've been taught, brought down to you, you move it on. Teaching our young ones, it gives them a bit of, because there's mana and there's ego. A lot of guys walk around with ego of our young ones, and they need to push that out and bring back the mana. And to me, mana, in a man especially, is about him loving his family, nurturing his family, nurturing his woman, smiling when he needs to laugh, crying when he cries. Everything, be humble. That's where mana comes in, looking after your people as well. A lot of young guys, they get excited when they learn something. And teaching them the basics, what's so important is the basics. Once they get the basics, they start dreaming of how they can do it in different ways. It excites them. And that's what it's all about. When we have a crowd of 10 or 15 of the young guys, or wahine, they are so good to teach. Their ears are more greater than a lot of the males, believe me. But teaching them is to have fun with them before we start. If you have fun, it takes that shield off them, and it allows the good and the fun to enter. And when you teach them, that enters them. But if they're sort of half-by about learning, the shield is still up, it just bounces off them. They're not really interested, sort of thing, and it won't stay. But once they have fun, and then you have music with it, you have jokes, you talk a load of bullshit with them, you dance, and they really enjoy it and have fun. Feeds your family, it feeds our people, and holistically, because food to our people is so important. It brings us together, nourishes and nurtures our people, the essence of food.